Looking at number 6, here it says frozen orange juice often comes in cylindrical cardboard containers with metal lids. Find the area of the cardboard portion of the orange juice container shown. So this is a cylinder, and we are being asked to find the surface area. So we are going to use the same equation. Surface area equals 2 times area of the base plus the perimeter times the height between the bases. Okay, but in this situation, the base is metal. So the base is metal, and so that's not going to take into account how much surface area of cardboard is needed. So we are not going to need to figure out the area of the base and include that in our surface area. We are only going to be focusing on the perimeter of the base times the height, because this is the cardboard portion. Okay, so let's look at it. The base here is a circle, which means our perimeter is actually going to be called the circumference, and circumference is found using 3.14 times the diameter. Okay, it is given that the radius is 2 inches because it's from the center to the edge. So the diameter is 4 inches because the diameter is double the radius. So let's plug that in. The perimeter, or the circumference, is 3.14 times 4, which gives us a circumference of 12 56/100 inches. Next, the height between the two bases, between the two circles, is 6 5/10. So we have all of our necessary information. Let's plug it in. Surface area equals, in this situation, the circumference, or the perimeter, times the height, 6 5/10. Multiplying 12 56/100 times 6 5/10, I am given 81 64/100. But on the first page, it asked us to round to the nearest tenth. So let's do that. Tenth is 1 behind the decimal. The 4 tells the 6 to stay the same. So the surface area would be 81 6/10 inches squared. Just for the cardboard portion of that orange juice container. Last one, let's look at number 7. It says a rectangular prism has a length 12 centimeters with a width of 4 centimeters. If its surface area is 467 square centimeters, what is the height of the prism? So I'm going to start by doing a very rough sketch of a rectangular prism. Okay, here's the top. It goes down. Here's kind of the base. Imagine that that is perfectly square. So here's our rectangular prism. Okay, it says the rectangular prism has a length of 12 centimeters and a width of 4 centimeters. So I filled in the information given. The surface area is 467 square centimeters. So let's think about this. Surface area, we know, is 2 times area of the base plus the perimeter times the height. We have enough information to figure out the area of the base. We have enough information to figure out the perimeter of the base, leaving our green unknown h, the height between them, as our unknown. So first, let's start by figuring out those smaller pieces. So area of the base, here our base is a rectangle, so we're going to do little b times the height. Okay, little b, little base, lowercase b is 12, height of the base is 4. So we're going to do 12 times 4, which tells me that the area of the base is 48 centimeters squared. Okay, perimeter of the base, we know we just add all of them. If the bottom is 12, the top is also 12. If the right is 4, the left is also 4. So perimeter would be 12 plus 4 plus 12 plus 4, or 32 centimeters. Okay, so let's plug the things that we know in. We know that the surface area was 467 centimeters. We know that the area of the base was 48 centimeters. We know that the perimeter is 32 centimeters, but we don't know that height. Notice we only have one unknown, which is what we can do. So let's follow PEMDAS and simplify this as much as possible. Okay, 2 times 48, that gives us 96, plus 32h, leaving 467 on the side. Okay, so here we're going to train track. We want to get h all by itself. So we're going to work far away from h and work our way in. We're going to start by subtracting 96 on both sides. On the right, that'll cancel out. On the left, we'll be left with 371 equals 32h, where this h is our unknown that we're solving for, right? Next step, we are going to divide both sides by 32. Get rid of that perimeter. Left, we have h equals 11.59375, but we want to round this to the nearest tenth. So let me rewrite this over here. We have h equals 11.59375. We want to round this to the nearest tenth, which is 1 behind the decimal. The 9 tells the 5 to go up, finding us the height is 11 6/10 centimeters.